Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make smart passive income, aka what I like to call mailbox money. I don't really know if I really came up with that on my own. I don't think I did. I just remember hearing that on a reality show some years ago. There was a guy on there. Apparently he was like an entrepreneur and his friends were like making fun of him or something. They were like, oh, you don't have to worry about money. All you do is sit home and wait for checks to come in the mail or something like that. And then they said it's like mailbox money, and he was like, yeah, basically. When I heard that, I was like, that's kind of what I do. And that brings back to the point, smart passive income, which I'm sorry you had to hear me go through that whole story. There's a hard way to make passive income, and then there's like a simple way to make passive income. And that simple way to me is smart passive income. Actually, literally, I've got a great example of what smart passive income is. It's 3:06 and 1 minute ago. Wow, okay, that happened. Anyways, it's 3:06 and 1 minute ago, I was doing this video and I made a cut and I looked down and saw I got let me do my best to hide this person's name here. Got a Stripe payment of $100. Passive income, okay? That's what that was. Smart passive income with affiliate marketing, to me, is automated passive income. Just like what just happened while I was making this video. I could have not even been here and I would have still made that money. And some people would be like, oh Lord, here we go, another person telling us that we're gonna make $1,000 our first 5 minutes being with an automated system. No, that's not what I'm saying. Having an automated system is not necessarily it's a part of what makes you passive income. It's the content you're posting that makes hard passive income turn into simple or smart passive income. There are some people that make great money online, but they're literally spending as much time on the internet as if they were spending that same amount of time being at like a 9-to-5 job. And I don't know about you, but I'm the kind of person, the point of me even doing any of this was, not only to make way more money than I ever would at being at some 9-to-5 job, but it was also to help me create time freedom. I like to have what I like to call power hours, okay? Where basically, I have been doing this online since 2013 and I'm doing it full time, and I've gotten pretty good, okay, at, focusing on the only income producing actions that I know are gonna make me money, not only fast, not only now, but also in the future. In these power hours, okay, I like to create content that I get to put up on the internet, okay, that can be seen by anybody at any time, no matter what I'm doing or where I am, who I'm with, or how late it is in the morning or how early it is in the nighttime. If it's done right, which I love teaching people how to do it the right way, because I meet a lot of people online who say, oh my God, I've been trying to make money with affiliate marketing for 10 years and I can't, it ain't working. If you have been online for that long, no offense, you're doing something majorly wrong. Making internet money is seriously one of the easiest things you can actually do. I shouldn't say easy, okay, because that gets confused with, people thinking, okay, all they got to do is like no work. I'm not saying you're not doing any work. You're going to have to put in some work into this. I guess what I should say is simple, okay? There's a difference between something being simple and easy. Okay? For those of you guys who've been doing affiliate marketing and you feel like you're still spending your time, on doing almost like an online version of door-to-door sales, you're going to want to learn how to master, okay, being able to create content that makes people come to you. You may have to interact with them. I'm not saying that you're creating this master, content that you have to never talk to anybody. No, but if you do it right, there are ways you can definitely make a lot of money off of the content you create and not talk to really almost anybody that makes you money. And that almost sounds contradicting, but I'm saying this because I personally have been on a mission to help as many people as I can actually make money online. So for me, I interact a little bit with people. I actually coach people and help people using the digital marketing affiliate programs that I promote that they are also trying to get involved in, which, by the way, there's a link in the description below you can click on to get a closer look at the system that I'm using right now to generate real passive income on a daily basis. It's a super cool opportunity that you are able to get 100% commissions paid out to you instantly via PayPal or a Stripe account. I'm using Stripe because PayPal is annoying. But for you newbies, I highly recommend you use PayPal. If you were to decide to join that system under me, especially on the pro level, you'll get access to a bonus training page that I'll send you on top of the training that you get in that system, okay, showing you exactly how it automates not only, okay, a sales funnel that is a high converting sales funnel, but also you'll start to really understand the content I try to create online via social media platforms or like on YouTube to actually make the kind of money that I'm making on a daily basis, and what I'm going to continue to do to actually get to the point where I hit my goal, which is making $1,000 every single day. I understand that one of the reasons why people aren't successful with this kind of stuff is because they're not really trained, or they're not given like a checklist they need to follow on a daily basis, they need to be consistent with, okay, to actually start seeing those results. That's what I've literally created, and that's what I stay on to people who are under me on this particular opportunity, okay, to do. I challenge them, I push them to do it so that they actually get results, and you know, that's what starts to happen magically, okay? But whether you're new or you're a seasoned marketer, I would love to work with you and get you to the next level, all right? Click the link in my description below. You'll also get details on how you can contact me via Facebook and ask me questions, or if you have any concerns, message me there and I will get back to you as soon as I can.